Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this perfect fluffy scrambled eggs. It's so easy to make, you guys, and it's very delicious. You can have this with anything of your choice for breakfast. Okay, let's just go ahead and get started. Here are the things you'll be needing: black pepper, salt, some butter, and then egg, of course. So we are going to crack in some eggs, depending on your family size. Okay, just add it up or reduce, okay, according to the much you are making, the much people you are making for. Yeah, so I'm just going to crack in 3 eggs. Then I'll be seasoning with some salt. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and whisk that. Yeah, whisk it properly. So you guys, you can add some water to this or milk, depending if you want it to be more fluffier. But even if you don't add any of these, it's still going to be fluffy. Trust me, I don't add sometimes. Yeah, and it still tastes amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and melt in some butter in a pan. Yeah, just go ahead and melt in some butter. When it is melted, go ahead and add in your whisked eggs. So when that is done, allow it to cook for a bit, then go ahead and start scrambling it. Yeah, you should be doing this gently, okay, like the way I am doing it. Yeah, just keep on folding it gently. You can go in a circular motion, yeah, and going ahead and scrambling it, but I'm not doing in a circular motion. I'm just doing it gently and folding it in from the parts that I've cooked, then the running side, giving the running side a chance to cook as well. Yeah, just look at the way I'm doing it. Just be doing it gently so that your egg doesn't scatter, okay, and will not be fluffy as it should be. So we keep on folding it in and then allowing this egg to cook. Please mind you that when you're cooking you're making your scrambled eggs, when you're cooking egg, please cook in a low flame. Yeah, don't cook your eggs in a high heat. It's going to burn and your eggs are not going to taste good. Okay, just keep on cooking it in a lower heat, in a very low heat. Okay, so we are going to keep on scrambling it. Look, it's already cooking and it's drying. At this point, go ahead and add in your black pepper. I'm not adding this black pepper now. I do add it at this time, but for the sake of this video I'm not adding it. I'm going to add it at the end. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and keep on scrambling it. The eggs are already cooked, as you can see. Yeah, so look at that, just look at that, how fluffy it is. So after it is done, we are going to go ahead and transfer it into the plates. Yeah, the serving plates. Okay, just look at that, how fluffy it is. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some black pepper. Yeah, just go ahead and add in some black pepper, and then I'm finishing it off with some chopped spring onions, yeah, for extra crunch. You can go ahead and enjoy this with anything of your choice, for bread, toast, for breakfast. It's so fluffy, you guys. It's so easy to make, and yeah, it's very classic. Just look at that, how fluffy it is, how fluffy, how enjoying. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. See you guys again in my next video. Bye.